Did you know that the average corporate job opening attracts 250 resumes? The job market is brutal. You send out resumes, but the silence is deafening. You've got the skills, but something isn't connecting. At Urban Food Alliance, we're changing the game. Your resume isn't just a piece of paper, it's your first impression. And right now, that impression is holding you back. Our Resume Makeover workshop isn't just about templates. It's about beating those ATS systems, showcasing your unique strengths, and crafting a story that recruiters can't ignore. Ready to gain interview skills, receiving personalized feedback, and gaining confidence. But it doesn't stop there. Our interview prep is where the magic happens. We'll turn you into the candidate employers fight over. At Urban Food Alliance, we don't just believe in second chances, we create them. This is your moment. Take the leap. Stop getting rejected. Start getting hired. Want to stand out and become part of the top 1% of candidates in your job search? Join us for our Resume Supercharge workshop, where we'll show you how to transform your resume into a tool that gets you noticed.